Here, put this on the back, please. Not open. Oh, this is rubbish. I'm gonna put the rubbish here. Let's do Girl Series 10. Right? Is it Series 10? I hope I get this one, or I want to get the two bad guys because they were cool. Oh, I got a blue. I got Mr. Blue. I got a fairy. It looks like this. I don't know how to play this one. It's different. It's real different. It doesn't have that silver piece thing. Can you help me? I'm having struggle with this, ma'am. Fairy. Oh, yay, finally. Put this on. It's not right. And the hands, I switched them up too. Why am I so stupid? It doesn't go down.
You need to put both hands in first before you press it.
Oh. Really?
Yes, you always need to do this step by step.
I don't
If you
do
mix one step, and
it'll get it all wrong. It doesn't work still. Make a click sound again. Help me. Why finish her Oh, she has feet. She has feet. She has feet. She has no shoes, though. She cannot sit down. She's a fairy. And you need to put her on this piece. And then put her wings on. Did not come with a second wing. Did I throw it away?
I don't know.
I can't find it. Oh. Why is it folded in the flyer? And it's like super dusty than the other way. Then her bracelet. Maybe it's flipped over. Once you put it on, you can't get it out. No, I don't care. I flipped it over. And I can't get it out, so I don't care, and I don't know. So I'm going to just put the wand on her hand. Here's the fairy. Okay, moving on.